Hello everyone, I am Lightning Knowledge. So in the today's short, we will discuss about the United States of America or USA. USA is the richest country in the world and the world's strongest army is the United States of America's army. And USA is the world's most powerful country and also the third largest country. So today we will discuss about the past to present journey of the United States. So let's firstly see the present day map of the US. You can see that this is the present day map of the United States of America. The capital is Washington DC, and you can also see a state also named Washington is at the opposite side. So there are Alaska and Hawaii too in the USA, and you can see many rivers like Mississippi River and Ohio rivers. The black line means the state boundary, the red line means the road, and the blue line means the river. Big star, capital of the country. Small star means the state capital, and the tiny black dot means city or town. So let's go in even more further. So this is the United States of America in 1850. You can see these states in the states of the United States are in red color. Sorry, they are in red colors. You can see a very large portion is covered in red color. This is why the United States is very massive. And you can also see the blue colors means the territory of the USA, unrecognized territory, which no one recognized as this part of the USA back then. And it is mainly in the center of the USA where the Rocky Mountains are almost situated. And you can also see the special status. This is the special status, a tiny yellow strip. And also the foreign area is located at the south point of it. So let's go in even more further past and let's see what was the United States. This is the USA in 1810. You can see in purple color is the Oregon country, Pacific Northwest. At the north there is British Canada, and in the southern regions you can see the Spanish territory is in yellowish and greenish color. And in the skin color you can see the United States of America. The border between USA and the territory of Louisiana Territory is the upper Mississippi River and the lower Mississippi River are the borders between both of them. But in 1802, the USA bought Louisiana Territory, and also you can see the Atlantic Ocean is in the control of USA, but not the Pacific coastline is not under the control of USA. It gets in control in a few years ago. So let's go in a few again. This is the final map in the short. You can see this is the map of 1775.